Medjool dates are often referred to as the king of dates, and for good reason. Their rich, caramel-like flavor, chewy texture, and natural sweetness make them a favorite among fruit lovers and health-conscious eaters alike. But have you ever wondered how these luxurious fruits are harvested and processed on a massive scale to meet global demand? In this video, we will take you deep inside the world of Medjool date production, exploring the fascinating journey from palm tree to packaging. The origins of Medjool dates. Medjool dates originated in Morocco but are now widely cultivated in the United States, especially in the arid climates of California and Arizona. These areas provide the perfect growing conditions: hot, dry weather, and plenty of sunshine. A single mature Medjool date palm can yield up to 300 pounds of fruit per season, and large plantations can harvest several tons each year. Cultivation and tree maintenance. Growing Medjool dates is a labor-intensive process that begins long before harvest. Palm trees require regular pruning, irrigation, and fertilization to remain healthy and productive. Farmers often use drip irrigation systems to conserve water while ensuring that the trees receive sufficient moisture. To promote better fruit development, farmers thin the fruit clusters early in the season. This involves manually removing some of the dates to ensure that the remaining ones grow larger and more uniformly. Additionally, the dates are often covered with mesh bags to protect them from pests and birds. The harvesting process. Harvesting Medjool dates is one of the most critical and labor-intensive stages. Because dates do not ripen all at once, workers must climb the tall palms multiple times during the harvest season, which typically spans from August to October. Workers use ladders or hydraulic lifts to reach the dates high up on the palm trees. Wearing gloves and safety gear, they carefully hand-pick the ripe fruit and place them into collection bags. In some operations, mechanical shakers are used to speed up the process. But hand-picking remains the most reliable method for maintaining fruit quality. Initial sorting and cleaning. Once harvested, the dates are transported to the processing facility. Here, the first step is to sort the dates by size, ripeness, and quality. This is often done using conveyor belts and mechanical graders. Damaged or underripe fruits are removed at this stage. The next step involves cleaning the dates. They are washed thoroughly to remove dust, debris, and any remaining insects. Some facilities use food-grade sanitizing solutions to ensure cleanliness without compromising the fruit's quality. Curing and drying. Fresh Medjool dates contain a high moisture content and need to be cured or dried to extend shelf life. This process involves air-drying the fruit either naturally in the sun or in climate-controlled drying rooms. The goal is to reduce the moisture content to around 20%, which enhances the date's sweetness and chewy texture. During this phase, workers monitor the dates closely to prevent over-drying, which can make the fruit hard and unpalatable. The curing process can take several days to weeks, depending on the facility's methods and environmental conditions. Secondary sorting and grading. Once the dates are properly dried, they go through a second round of sorting and grading. This step is crucial for quality control as it categorizes the dates based on size, appearance, and moisture level. Premium-grade Medjool dates are large, glossy, and uniform, while lower grades may have slight imperfections. Modern facilities use advanced optical sorting machines equipped with cameras and sensors to detect and separate dates automatically. However, manual inspection is still employed to ensure accuracy. Pitting and packaging. Depending on the end use, Medjool dates may be sold with or without pits. Pitting is done using specialized machines that remove the seed while maintaining the integrity of the fruit. After pitting, the dates may be packed as whole fruits, chopped pieces, or stuffed with nuts or other fillings. Packaging is the final step in the production line. The dates are packed in various sizes and formats, from small retail containers to large bulk boxes for commercial use. Packaging is done in a hygienic environment, often under vacuum-sealed or modified atmosphere conditions to preserve freshness. Cold storage and shipping. To maintain quality during distribution, the packaged dates are stored in cold storage facilities at temperatures between 32 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. This prevents microbial growth and extends the shelf life of the product. From here, the dates are shipped to retailers, wholesalers, and consumers around the globe. Because of their long shelf life, Medjool dates can be enjoyed year-round, making them a staple in many households and commercial kitchens. Sustainability and labor practices. The bulk production of Medjool dates also brings up important discussions around sustainability and labor. Many farms are adopting eco-friendly practices such as solar-powered irrigation systems, organic farming methods, and waste minimization. However, the industry still faces challenges related to labor conditions, especially in countries with fewer regulations. Ethical consumers are encouraged to purchase Medjool dates from certified farms that ensure fair labor practices and environmental stewardship. Economic impact. The Medjool date industry contributes significantly to the agricultural economy in regions where the fruit is cultivated. In the U.S. alone, the industry generates hundreds of millions of dollars annually. Date farming supports thousands of jobs, from field laborers and machine operators to quality control inspectors and logistics managers. Moreover, the global demand for Medjool dates continues to rise, driven by their reputation as a natural, healthy snack rich in fiber, potassium, and antioxidants. Health benefits and culinary use. Medjool dates are not just delicious, they are also incredibly nutritious. They provide a quick source of energy, making them popular among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Their natural sweetness makes them an excellent alternative to refined sugar in recipes. Culinarily, Medjool dates are extremely versatile. They can be used in baked goods, salads, smoothies, and savory dishes. Stuffed Medjool dates filled with almonds, cheese, or chocolate are a popular gourmet snack. From the towering palm trees of desert farms to high-tech processing plants, the journey of Medjool dates is nothing short of extraordinary. Each date you enjoy is the result of meticulous care, cutting-edge technology, and a labor force committed to quality. As consumer demand continues to grow, the industry is evolving to become more efficient, sustainable, and ethically responsible. So the next time you bite into a sweet, chewy Medjool date, take a moment to appreciate the incredible process behind that seemingly simple treat.